Sellerator AI is a software that can be used to create beautiful custom surveys or quizzes for all sorts of companies that will help you with your marketing. The interesting thing is that your customer does not care how much you know, but instead they want to know how much you care. And so the best way to find out that show them that you care is to ask questions. And so you ask lots of questions, and the easiest way to do that is, of course, with an online quiz or survey. In our Sellerator software, it is easy to get started with that. Just with a couple of questions, one can get organized for a new quiz. Here's a company that's called Business Expansion Specialists and Training, and so they specialize in management training for dentists. Describe the target audience. Good. Then we can say a couple of categories for asking the questions. And with that information, by the way, it can also use AI to do surveys on this. With that information, one can now generate the questions. With one click, we can get a long list of categories and questions that will make up the survey to ask. When you've gotten the question generated by AI, you can then add the layout of your business to the layout of the quiz, and it formats the questions in a beautiful layout like this, matching the company website. For example, here, when it comes to finding rockstar team members, what's your superpower? You can, and then the users, the viewers, they can say, well, these are my answers, and for each question, they can answer what applicable answers they have. There can be multiple answers, or they can also use another button where they can type extra answers. Oops. Then they have to fill out their name and email and submit the answers. System says thank you, and it will send them an AI-driven survey result. That would look like this. And it comes up with detailed responses in answer to what the answers were that they gave. So one can see from your survey answers, we can see that your most significant challenges are clarity of your staff roles and responsibility, or whatever it is. And then it could say, based on your responses, you would be an excellent candidate for, and that would be your company in this case. In fact, there's a screen where you can have an AI-driven template so that it will fill out the answers according to these descriptions. So basically you tell AI, when the person has filled out the quiz, answer these questions and fill that into the email right here, and then it will send the person an email that will be kind of a highly customized sales letter for why they should be getting in touch with you. So the computer fills out the reasons why they should get in touch with them, and then the person will receive that as an email from your company, and they can even give you feedback on what the system has found. And give you an idea if they would be interested in getting a consulting session with you. Then on top of that, there are many ways how you can manage your quizzes, your prospects, the people that are taking the tests, and the email templates that result from that. So you can basically work on maximizing the efficiency of your marketing. Now you can try out for yourself how this works by going to our website, Sellerator AI, and then do a sample test quiz. This would be a quiz just about quizzing, and you can find out if that is something for you and your business. So with one simple quiz, takes just about 4 minutes, you can do some quizzing to see if quizzing or surveying would be the right type of tool for your business. All right, see you soon.